Welcome to Ngoten Shop I channel. We are here in Monterrey Stadium, Bafana 1, South Korea 0. My brother, how's it?
Puti.
Come on, Shafiri.
Shafiri good man.
We want to join the game himself.
Ngobo game Brian.
Yeah.
Ngibone grand.
Yeah.
We came victorious. Ngeke ngasho komnye umjita mangishaya lama interviews angayinga. We just want one goal.
One goal kuphela.
Igoal eli1 Brian asifuni kube senza siya le nale. Shaya igoal eli1 sihambe siye khoneni sivaye siye eAmerica siyoshaya eCanada.
Number 1.
Yeah.
Number 1. So bani ukudlaleka kamnandi mhlanje?
Brian, look, to be honest, Vandag ngifunde ibhola ngenye indlela ne.
Yeah.
I was very frustrated with Umaseko. Too frustrated.
Yeah.
I guess we need to give Hugo Bros his flowers, Brian. I said too much itabenghleli nawo makadonsa Umaseko.
Yeah.
Makadonsa Umaseko ambuyise afaka uMuremi.
Yeah.
But it did the opposite. It shows that he's a good coach when Ngcobo.
Yeah.
Why I'm saying so? Lendwana lena showed hunger. Lendwana lena showed determination ukuthi kumele ikore Vandag.
Exactly. Yeah.
And that's what he did. You know? I was in between ukuthi uyikhipha kanjani mara iplayer ekhona ukufrustrate defense, because Leandona be frustrated defense here South Korea. But the only problem is that he was not converting.
Yeah.
So I've learned a different tactic Vandag about football, that you don't get frustrated and you don't use your emotions when you are playing and when you are planning for the opponent.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. No,
so Umaseko, Nyamgaya Prayam, he was the player of the match or a man of the match, however you can flip it.
Exactly. Yeah.
Injalo.
No, siyabonga kakhulu.
Mfowethu siyabonga. The last thing that I would say, man, Brian, i-reception Mexico, Monterrey in particular, the people were super. We had the most favorable World Cup experience.
Exactly. Yeah.
It was my first time to see a stadium so packed like this.
Imagine. People supporting Bafana.
Uyabona Brian, manje siyadlula siya eCanada. Siyaya eCanada. Siyaya eCanada. Siyaya eCanada. Siyaya eCanada. Bafana eCanada.
Siyaya.